Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you want to clear up your under the sink chaos, then you have to check out these two-tier organizers from AIYULONG. These organizers are the perfect fit for my hard to fit cabinets. What I really love about them is just the capacity. To be honest, at first I was a little bit worried if all of my items were going to fit, but there is plenty of space for all of my stuff, plus space for me to fit a little extra. These organizers are great to be used in vanities and bathrooms or in kitchens, even on countertops to organize products. They are a beautiful, clear material, and they are so easy to put together. In just a matter of minutes, literally, they were put together. To be honest, I hate having cluttered cabinets, and these two-tiered organizers have made it so much better for my organizing brain to be able to see everything, have it in a nice place, and to be able to access it really easily too. The drawers pull out really smoothly, and I love that I can reach everything in the back of the drawer or the front of the drawer if I need to pull it out. In both of the cabinets that I utilize these in, it is a tight fit. The plumbing is just all over the place, and it's been hard to find something that actually fit. But these both fit in around the plumbing perfectly, and it just makes my cabinet look so much more organized. They are extremely durable, they offer plenty of space and storage, and they make it easy to access all of my products. They have been an organizer's lifesaver, but that's just my point of view.